Let's make a Kasaragod style meal. Let's see the whole video. The mackerel is cleaned and cut into pieces. Add a little bit of salt, a dash of vinegar, combine well and rest for 15 minutes. Onto a pot, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, chopped red onions, add a little bit of crushed ginger, just 2 cloves of garlic crushed, some chilies, rough cut tomatoes, few curry leaves, extract the pulp, add the tamarind pulp. When I am adding tamarind pulp, I am using the tamarind also. Combine well, add just enough salt, add some more water, combine, cover, turn it on a medium heat and bring into simmer. Take the lid off, give a quick stir and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. The gravy is well simmered and nice thickened, and all the spices are cooked now. Add the mackerel piece. Let's give a nice swirl to the fish and let it simmer for next 15 minutes till the fish is cooked and the gravy is thick. In between, don't miss out to give a quick swirl. Check the salt. If you need more, add more salt. You can turn off the heat now. For tempering, place a pot like this on a medium heat and add some coconut oil. Add crushed garlic, curry leaves, give a quick stir. The garlic is getting golden now. Turn off the heat. Let's combine. Let's taste it. First, the gravy. Have a nice kick of spices, but the tamarind makes it a beautiful flavor. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. See you with a new video.